Hello and welcome back. We are Ellie and Graham and we travel mostly off-grid in our camper van Merlin with our two little dogs, Maya and Luna.
You join us following our last visit where we went inside a dam. This time we are concentrating on the dam known as Garreg Ddu. The low water reveals secrets that are normally hidden under many metres of water.
See Merlin there. We're just about to go and walk over the dam. Car park's emptying out nicely.
Low water at the Garreg Ddu Dam has revealed an interesting shoreline. Further up you can even see an old dry stone wall that used to lead down to the original River Elan. For many years it's not been a dry stone wall. It's been very, very wet.
I don't know if you can see, but it looks like someone's written their name out of pieces of rock. It seems to spell the word Zelian. So hi Zelian, if you're watching this. Nice bit of art.
The Garreg Ddu Dam is probably one of the most important aspects of this whole dam complex. This part of the dam, which is normally submerged, maintains the level upstream. It's very unusual to see this part of the submerged dam. Normally it's under many metres of water. This domed tower, which has become iconic for the Elan Valley dams, is where the water is drawn off and sent off to Birmingham. Everything from this tower onwards is to do with Trent water, whereas the dams and everything else before that is Welsh water. The water which is sent to Birmingham is all gravity fed. There are no pumps involved at all.
Even vloggers need a little bit of sustenance. See Graham scoffing the blackberries.
Beautiful.
They're amazing, aren't they? They're really sweet. Elan Valley really is a bittersweet place. There's, we were just saying, it's so beautiful and wild, and yet, you know, it's also caused loads of people to lose their lives and their houses. So it's a strange place. Very beautiful though, I love it.
We're going to have a look at this water outlet. This is something that you'll only see at times of low water.
Tough, isn't it, Luna? It's quite tough. Yeah. Daddy and Maya have made it down there.
This water outlet that you're looking at here is piped all the way from the Reservoir. The pipework was tunnelled into a huge hill and is used to top this dam up at times of drought. This is the route taken by the pipework, and as you can see, it must have been an amazing feat of engineering by the Victorians. And all of this is fed by gravity, no pumps involved at all.
So Luna's not keen, I don't think. She's decided enough is enough. I think she likes the water very much. It's too loud for her. Bless her.
Where we're standing at the moment is normally well underwater. You can see the arrow indicating the height that the water would normally be at. The Garreg Ddu dam is really rather unique. It's got this underwater dam which holds water back to protect the Birmingham water supply. This underwater dam is seldom seen. It was a unique opportunity for us. I'm going to fly my drone now. Will I be brave enough to fly it under the arches?
So tonight we're going to have a one-pot pasta dish. Got some pasta sauce, healthier choice, some ripened tomato, etc. And I'm going to cook some broccoli in with the pasta, so it's all in one pot, combined with some vegan hot dog sausages. And this is a rare sight. Graham doing cooking. Graham doesn't really do cooking, do you?
No.
He's doing the chopping because...
I'm wondering if I should have washed my hands.
Oh! Oh, you didn't, did you? Oh, thank goodness that's being cooked. Where have you had your hands? I don't want to know. Don't answer that. Don't answer that. So now I'm just adding some broccoli to the pasta. And Graham's done a fantastic job of chopping up the sausages.
Yeah, don't say I never cook.
So the pasta's nearly cooked and the broccoli will be cooked in 2 or 3 minutes. So we're just going to heat through the sausages. Pasta sauce going in. Now it's all cooked. Graham's not big on grated cheese, he prefers proper cheese, dairy cheese. I'm hoping this will be alright because when it's melted, it tastes really nice. It's a lot better. The texture's a lot more like cheese when it's melted. But we shall see what he thinks. This is just a smoky cheese. So supper's ready. See what it's like. The cheese has melted nicely. Goes all nice and stringy. I like cheese like that.
By the way, this is Graham's idea of it being his turn to cook.
There we go.
It reminds me of some sort of heart surgery bypass documentary. Looks nice, my dear.
I hope it's all right.
These sausages seem particularly well cut.
Oh, I think so. I think they maketh the meal.
Mm.
We're on a bit of a tilt here. I keep having to having to swizzle my seat round a bit. There we go. What do we reckon? Does it taste okay?
Very nice, yeah.
Good. Well, I think the sausages are definitely the highlight of the meal.
Yeah, they seem perfectly cut. A bit of garlic bread will go down well.
And now for the fun part. Any volunteers?
We hope you can join us next time, where we go in search of the flooded Cwm Elan mansion. This was the home that the poet Shelley visited to write some of his poetry. The site of the house is only ever available at very low water levels, so we're going to give it a go and see if we can get there. Also, we would love it if you could join our Wizard in the Wild Facebook group. Just go to Facebook and search Wizard in the Wild, then click join.